The Samsung Galaxy A20s appeared on Tena earlier this month with specs and pictures, but now the device is finally revealed. This device is not yet official, but it has been leaked with many details. So if you are looking for a mid-range phone and you are not fan of Chinese brands, then this phone might be something you can check out. The A20s is not fully the upgrade you wish it to be, but in certain aspects there are some noticeable changes. So without further ado, let's begin. Before we get into the actual video, if you are interested in receiving up-to-date leaks, then do consider subscribing to my channel. Now, let's start. From the images, it looks like the back will be made up of polycarbonate material with gradient design. Along with that, there is a triple camera setup and a physical fingerprint scanner. The A20s will arrive with a 6.5-inch display with the water drop notch up top. This is where things get fuzzy. Although the screen size has been increased from 6.4 inches to 6.5 inches, it's just HD plus resolution like before. And most important of all, it's TFT LCD display, so that means no AMOLED display on this one, which is really shocking considering A20 has the AMOLED display. The chipset is now Snapdragon 450 with octa-core CPU clocked at 1.8 GHz. It will be coupled with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. The phone will also support a microSD card that can be used to add up to 512GB of additional storage. This is where you'll find the upgrade. The Galaxy A20s sports a triple rear camera setup as opposed to Galaxy A20 where there were only two cameras. The Galaxy A20s has 13MP as a primary sensor with f1.9 aperture, 8MP 120° ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture, and a 5MP depth sensor. On the front, it has 8MP selfie shooter with f2.0 aperture. It comes packed with 4000 mAh battery with 15W Type-C fast charging, and the phone runs on Android 9 Pie based on One UI. Samsung Malaysia is launching the Galaxy A20s in black and blue on September 21st, and the pricing will be $170 USD or 12,000 Indian rupees approximately. And that's the Galaxy A20s. If you like the video, then subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Peace out.